Have you ever tried sewing through multiple layers of denim or thick upholstery fabric, only to have your machine struggle, your stitches skip, or your fabric bunch up? It can be a real headache, making your upcycling projects feel more frustrating than fun. When tackling thick seams, the presser foot that works best is typically the walking foot. This specialized foot is designed to help feed all layers of fabric evenly through your machine, which is crucial for preventing puckering and skipped stitches on bulky materials. The reason a walking foot is so effective lies in its ingenious design. Unlike a standard presser foot that simply presses down, a walking foot has its own set of upper feed dogs that work in tandem with your machine's lower feed dogs. This synchronized movement grips the top layer of fabric and pulls it through at the same rate as the bottom layer, eliminating the drag that often causes fabric shifting and uneven stitching on thick or slippery textiles. To use a walking foot effectively, first, attach it to your machine according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then, select a longer stitch length than you would for regular fabric, usually between 3.5 to 4 millimeters. This helps to prevent the stitches from disappearing into the thick material and provides better stability for the seam. Also, consider using a stronger needle, such as a denim or leather needle, which has a sharper point and a sturdier shaft to penetrate thick layers without bending or breaking. For especially tricky areas, like crossing over existing bulky seams, you might also find a hump jumper or a clearance plate to be incredibly useful. These small tools slide under the back of the presser foot to level it out when it encounters a sudden increase in fabric thickness, allowing the foot to glide smoothly over the bump without getting stuck. Another insider tip is to always use a fresh, sharp needle of the correct size for your fabric, as dull needles can cause skipped stitches and fabric damage on heavy materials. Ultimately, choosing the right presser foot, like a walking foot, coupled with the proper needle and stitch length, transforms the challenge of sewing thick seams into a smooth, satisfying experience. These small adjustments ensure your upcycled creations look polished and professional, allowing you to confidently tackle any fabric combination your creative projects demand.